go get something to help this bird out. Mission, help the bird.
And post this and
Go get a t-shirt and we can pick it up.
a lot of big suit of this.
I'll wash it. Hurry up, it's gonna kill itself. I've never seen such a crazy bird. Bro. Bro.
Oh no. Oh my god.
A bird? Okay, let's help it out.
Jessica, come down here. Come on, help me out.
Let's get this bird. Come on. Pick it up. Dude, but it literally just like stuck on that thing. Pick it up.
Did I do that?
No, it's been like that. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Stick it outside.
Poor birdie.
Okay, just cover it. Just drop it down.
Why
Now pick it up.
Why don't you just lead it towards the door? Like, bring it
Shush,
towards the
Jessica,
door.
you got it? Dude, come on. Don't be a chicken.
Okay. Open the door for it.
I don't care.
Open the door.
I was a little
It's
boss.
Poor birdie.
Okay. Okay. Now hold it tightly this time, bro.
Here, bird.
Okay.
Be free. Oh!
Oh my god, you idiots.
Here, bird. Be free.
Pick it up.
Keep going towards the
Because
door.
it's not that smart. It's been beating its head into a wall the past 5 minutes.
It's okay, birdie. Careful with
Got it?
Careful.
Okay, releasing time.
Now get out of here.
See you, little buddy. Did he take off?
How did
Wow.
the bird
It
get
wants back inside.
Dude, what the?
Let's keep it as a pet.
Put it in the room, Mom.
Well,
Whoa.
tried our best. It's still just gonna run its head into a wall for 5 minutes.
What is wrong
Well,
with you?
I think it already knocked itself stupid.
Good luck to you, bird. And good luck to you.